So not only are there all the other ways that we've talked about that you're losing money from Amazon and they're not reimbursing you correctly. So when you're getting returns to yourself, you can also get money back because sometimes Amazon doesn't package it correctly and it gets damaged in transit. That's on you to report that. And there's also a situation where the customer returned the wrong thing. They returned it like without pieces or parts are missing, or there's some other way. So let's just take a look at my garage and look at all the ones that I gotta deal with. I've been putting this off for a long time. Oh, we just got boxes on boxes on boxes on boxes on boxes. You shouldn't let it get this long. You have about 18 months to deal with it though. Let me just grab some here quick and we'll take care of them. Let's see how the Amazon people package everything. All right, so you know, like this big long box, what do they do? Okay, so nice. So it's a really great way to return my glasses. So I want to get my money back for this. So what I'm going to do then is I got to take this and take a picture of the shipping info down there. And then also that. So this, normally, this is different. So this is a return, okay? It looks like there's some other ones down in there. But basically, you're trying to find a return slip. Let me see if I can get it quick. No return in that one actually, or there's no return slip because it was actually just me removing inventory that I was making a new listing, and so I was just getting rid of that inventory, but they damaged it on the way there. So there's no return slip. So now what I'm gonna do is I'll show you one that does have a return slip and how we would do that. Here's a great example. Amazon did a good job of packaging and smashing this one up. So let's just take a look inside, and I know that some of them are already pretty bent up. Look at this. So we can get our money back for these. So what you're gonna have to do is individually, for each one of these, we're gonna need to take pictures. So what we would do is we'd go like, boom. Well, make sure you show that it's broken, because it is. So I'd be like that, okay? Take a picture of that, and then you gotta get real close up on the, right there. Okay, camera just says, no, I'm not gonna focus for you. So you get a picture of that, then you're gonna wanna get this info right there, and then you're gonna get the slips on the inside here, okay? Cool, camera really doesn't wanna focus. All right, so you get all of these, picture of that, picture of that, picture of the box, and you gotta do that individually for each one. Maybe you could do all the damaged units together in one package so you could save time. But yeah, that's how you're gonna get money back there. And there's this is just money that you're leaving on the table. So, and I would do this same process also if there was products that were missing parts. Actually, if it's missing parts, I would make a separate case. So you can make a case for similar items. So if these are all bent and damaged, okay, I would do that, because this was actually left out in the rain, which is, you know, really great. So do that together, and then separately for ones, or if they return the wrong thing, obviously that's a different type of case. And so just put in your explanation, keep a document some way that you know what should be done with each one. And it gets a little bit pretty hard to organize with pictures and stuff here, but it's definitely worth your money, especially if you have a lot of products. That I have thousands. So, I mean, this will be a couple grand in the bank at least that got damaged. So when I originally recorded this, I forgot to also mention that you can get your money back if they didn't include the UPC code. So let's say you have a box and they didn't include the product packaging box. Sometimes they'll just throw it in the product in the box without the packaging. You can get your money back for that too, okay? Just take pictures and document. Same process for all of these firms submitting the case. Just change the wording up a little bit. All right, now we're gonna make a case for this. So we go into our Amazon account here, hit help, contact us. And then I know I always mess this up in some videos, so let me just move my face. And then you go to selling on Amazon, and then this pops up. And then you hit, my issue is not listed. Okay, there we go. Now I'll put my face back. That's right. Got it this time. All right, now your account, other account issues, email. All right, so we're gonna say, let's see, vendor returns, return issue, item damaged in transit. We'll call it that. So this would be where the product is damaged in that transit to me. I don't know if the customer damaged it or if Amazon did, but I'm going to claim that Amazon damaged it or the carrier did, because that's going to make it more likely that I get my money back. It could have been damaged anywhere in the process of the customer damaged it or the carrier damaged it getting it to Amazon, or Amazon damaged it. Somewhere in that process, this was damaged. So we're just going to go ahead and say the following item was damaged due to poor packaging and handling from the Amazon warehouse to our facility. Please see the attached pictures and issue a reimbursement for this. Now, if there was missing parts, I would just say, the following item was missing pieces. And so, we did not receive the entire item back for our return. Please issue a reimbursement. Or the item is, if it was different, you would say the item is different. Okay. And then send a picture of what it looked like, and then send a picture of what you got back with the sticker on it. And then you could send even the listing, and then it's quite obvious, oh, hey, they returned the wrong item, or hey, it's damaged, or hey, here are the pieces we got back. Lay it all out and then say, this is the listing. So this, the customer didn't return the whole product, therefore it was not eligible for a return. And so therefore, this return was not acceptable, and Amazon owes us money because this should have never been accepted as a return, because that's against the Amazon rules. That's what I would say. Just do I always try to just grab terms, keep it as simple as possible, and no room for interpretation. And oftentimes I just say, leave it up to the Amazon rule. Say, oh, these are Amazon rules. This was against the rules. Therefore, we get our money back. And it's then it's pretty night and day. And this is typically a lower level employee working. And yeah, just tell the truth. And like, hey, if you got screwed out of some money, then I think you should fight for it back. So, yep, this great. And then I would add attachments and what we're all attaching here. So let's see, go to reimbursements, disposed of, nope. Where is it? Desktop reimbursements. Returned inventory. Okay, so we've got the box label there. We have the label here. So if this was just a damaged one that was not a return, it would be your ASIN. But this is the LPN because it's a return from a customer. So there might actually be a chance this gets denied, but I'm going to go for it anyways because I think this was damaged because of the way the box was. Oh, I should add a picture too of how damaged the box was because it was just crushed. And that's going to help my case. And that's why I believe that one got so bent. So I'm going to add another picture before I submit this, and I'm not going to record that. But this is what I do in those slips right there, the LPNs. This is all the info that I put in. And yeah, you got to do them one at a time. But I hope this is helpful. This can get you a lot of money back, and you fight for it all.